Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. This is Amsterdam white. Pouring most of it away, which could be a problem since I probably could use some kind of pour dish. I'm going to let that get spread around a little bit too. So I do use these china dishes once in a while. I also see a rather large chunk of something that needs to go as well. But I'm happy that it's moving. Now I'm going to get back to it. I'm going to use some Anita's White Metallic. Some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Hoping I can keep some. I've got a little bit of Decor silver. I didn't shake, maybe I should have. Oh, it's thicker than other things. I should just do gold, silver, copper, and white metallic at some point in time. This is Whispering Wisteria. Might as well use everything I love, which starts out with Dancing Fuchsia. Oh, ginger flower. Ginger flower, colors will be under the video in the description. Ginger flower is a primary element. I'm not sure where this is going or why I'm putting the top back in. This is some indigo, perfect indigo. I really don't know what's going to happen, so I'm excited to find out. I've got some Vivid Intense Phthalo blue. It's not coming out very well. Also some Alizarin Rose, which is one of my all-time favorite colors. Now that I'm here, I'm thinking I want something like Tickled Pink, which is a purely pigment. Oh, and it's looking a little clogged. Oh, that's good. That's really good. It could be Groovy Guava. I think I mislabeled a bottle. I'm hoping for an interesting configuration of colors. This is the one that I called Groovy Guava, so we'll see what the... Hopefully it'll come out. Be nice if it would come out. Without me taking the top off. I guess I'll take the top off. Leave that aside and take care of it after. Figure out what's going on with it. What have I got? I've got blue-green, a Vivid Intense. I think it's open. I think I already took the top off. The tab off the top. Not sure that it's a good idea to have that next to the alizarin rose, but that's okay. I pulled out some hollyberry added to mellow yellow. And it's not opening, so I'm going to pour it. And all of this makes me want orange. I thought it was going to be okay without it, but I think I need it. And the more the merrier also. So I'm going to tip this for a while, and depending on how I feel about it, I will probably swipe. I may not, but I may. This is Chrisacolla. I'm trying to figure out what I'm missing. And it sort of feels like not just the orange, but some blue. So I've got the Vivid Intense Ultramarine Blue. Oh, that's good. I'll probably get some green out of that, actually. Yellow and blue being the perfect combination to get green. Speaking of green, alright, I was going to put some orange in. So I'm going to bite the bullet and use some of my saffron. I don't have much left, and I have no more to make up. I'm also contemplating putting some black in here, but I was going to use this black cellulite activator, so that might not be something I really want to do. I'm going to try a little bit of the orange crush, but I've had it be a problem, so I'm going to shake it. I could just keep using colors until I run out of time. I think last but not least, I say last, but somebody's going, we don't trust you. Red Violet, which I've added, which is a Vivid Intense Fluorescent, which I've added golden diamonds to. I still want some black. Alright, I'm going to give myself some black. Now I could roll a marble through this at this point, or drag a comb through. Or a chopstick, or whatever you have. I use skewers. I'd like a skewer with a nice big fat paintball on the end. And I've got them. That's what that is. So now I'm going to try to drag some white through. Because I don't mind the white entering into the composition. Actually, I could have added some more and been pretty happy about it. There's still a possibility that I'm going to swipe. Oh, there's definitely a possibility of taking that rather large chunk of whatever that is. That's a big chunk. Probably the tip of a bottle. Alright, I don't usually wreck like this, but I'm not unhappy with what I've got, so it's evidently working okay. It looks beautiful, actually. So I'm going to try and tip a few ways. Let's just try the edge catcher. I, 'cause kind of love it the way it is. I think I'm going to leave it alone. Just look for inclusions. I'll probably torch. I'm back and I want to put a little bit of white paint on this corner over here, but I think I'm going to save the heavy duty Amsterdam and use the Vivid Intense. And instead of trying to stroke it around, although I might still, I'm going to blow it first. And anything else can be touched up at some other point in time, because I don't really feel like handling this too much to mess it up. I think it's gorgeous. Even if it's accidental art and I did almost nothing except for tip it, I'm okay with that. And hopefully the paint isn't so heavy I'll have any trouble. I'm going to take my little acetate tool, pick up any paint I see, run it along the edge. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.